Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and I'm back with another fancy schmancy video. This video has been long awaited, or however you say it, but you guys, I got it. I finally got it. Like, I'm so excited, I'm gonna cry. This is going to be an iPhone XS Max unboxing. I needed a new phone so bad, like you guys don't understand. I'm like, oh my god, you guys. Okay, you know, let me just stop talking and let's get into the unboxing. So, let's get into it. Okay, it came in this box. It literally just got here like 5 minutes ago. And I was so excited. I've been waiting all day. And it's finally here. You guys don't understand. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so this is the iPhone XS Max in silver. I wanted the gold, but the gold wouldn't ship until like October, and I needed a new phone now because I broke my other one. So, okay, let me just unbox it. You don't need that. Okay, I'm really hoping that you guys can see this, but here it is. Let's unbox it. So the first thing that's on top is just, you know, the information and all that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is just all the information. It's just the little hello cards, you know, the new updated stuff, just that stuff. And you get this thingy for when you have a SIM card. You just stick it in the phone and the SIM card pops out. Then you get a user's guide, and then you get your, you know, traditional Apple stickers. So that's all fun and awesome, but not as awesome as this. Oh my god. Oh, you guys, it's so beautiful. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. The next thing that is in the box are your headphones that you get with every iPhone. Your charger, not like the 12-watt chargers that you get with the iPads. And then your actual charging cable. Okay guys, so here's the moment of truth. Let's try to turn it on. I guess this is the lock button right here. It's a lot bigger than the lock buttons on the previous phones. So let's try to turn it on. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Here it is. Alright, now that I've unboxed it, I'm going to switch the camera back to me. Alright, you guys. It is unboxed and it turned on. Let's just put the brightness up. Oh, I can't do that yet. So here it is turned on. I'm gonna click English, United States. Okay, so I'm gonna set up automatically. Oh, there it goes, brightness. So it's set up automatically. I don't know what that is, but I'll try it. Okay, so I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so I'm hooked up to the Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to click next. And it says it's going to take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Let's hope it doesn't take that long. Okay, here's the Face ID. Hold on, it's not focusing. I did not know there was Face ID. Ooh, I'm excited up now. Whew. First, position your face in front of the camera frame, then move your head in a circle. Okay. Alright, you guys. I'm setting up Face ID. Oh, it's so cool. Move your head slowly. You guys, this is so funny. Watching. Oh, it's already set up. I have to show you guys. My bad. You guys, I'm like, my heart was beating so fast when I got it. Now it's asking me if I want to restore my iCloud backup, which is a yes. I should have backed it up today, which I didn't. Okay, iCloud backup. It's asking me to log into my Apple ID, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it's starting to set up. If you guys can see that, it's starting to set up. So it's gonna take a few minutes, but while we're waiting, let's take off paper. You know, that big moment. Ooh, I already almost dropped it, you guys. Oh my god, so beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set this phone up off camera, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this new iPhone has a lot to offer. You know, the camera quality is supposed to be a lot better. You know, screen quality, everything is supposed to be a lot better. This phone specifically runs to about $1,200 if you buy it straight out. I didn't pay anything for it because I upgraded and got it, you know, zero money down. I did have to pay off my old phone, which was an iPhone 7 Plus. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see if you guys want to see a what's on my iPhone XS Plus video, please comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I thought that I would record from my new phone so you guys can see the great camera quality it has to offer and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my phone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, I put in the wrong email. I put con, not